What's up, YouTube? Hey, it's Quazimotoe. This is my third time recording this video. My Pinnacle Studio has been deleting it, so I'm going to go ahead and switch back to DaVinci Resolve for a little bit. Alright, so here we're going to talk about the August 2020 Humble Bundle. Right, so let's turn off my camera real quick for you. Alright, so we got 2020 August. These are the games that are coming with the Humble Bundle Choice Program. And you can get all 12 games if you have the choice program, if you purchased it. So you get Vampire, Hello Neighbor Hide and Seek, War Groove, Double Trouble, Call of Cthulhu, Little Big Workshop, the Genesis Alpha 1 Deluxe Edition, Atama Chef, Through the Darkest of Times, American Fugitive, State of Emergency, The Coma 2, Vicious Sisters, We Were Here Together, and A Case of Distrust. It's a Ben Wander Presents game. So those are the ones you can get if you purchase the Humble Bundle Choice for August 2020. I recommend doing so. There is a link in the description for you to use if you'd like to purchase it. But what we're going to talk about now is what we're doing with these 12 games. That's right. We're doing a 4-year channelversary giveaway. 4 years. I've been doing Twitch and YouTube for 4 years. So we're going to give away some games. All right. So check the links in the description for the Gleam link, as well as the links to each of these months that were available on Humble Choice. And that way you can see which games you get to pick if you're a winner. So let's talk about the ones we're giving away. We're giving away August 2020, all 12, as well as 10 from July, 10 from June, and May was 10 also. And then we have 3 left in April. So we're going to do a total of 45 games. 45 games to give away. So the link in the description for Gleam is for a 1-month term. So you have about a month to enter. Yeah, just get entered. Hopefully you get a prize. Each person only gets 1 prize. Grand prize winner will get a 20% code for humble.com. That way you get 20% off a single purchase. So if you want to get the Humble Choice, it's 20% off, or if you get a single game, it's 20% off that way. So we're celebrating 4 years on YouTube. We're stopping Twitch streams for a while. I'm going to focus on YouTube, you guys. And then if you want to join the Discord, it's linked down there as well. And if you haven't yet subscribed, hit that button. Subscribe. Really appreciate the support. And if you're in the Discord, we're going to be doing giveaways just for the Discord. So I won't be posting videos or anything like that. The massive giveaway will be once a year. And then if you just want game codes and stuff like that, they'll be in the Discord. So join the Discord, at me so I can add your role as Quasi Crew. Join that Discord. Y'all are all welcome. So we do all kinds of crazy stuff in there. And that's it. That's all I have for today. Switching to DaVinci Resolve, the giveaway, the Discord. Hit us up. We like to chat about a lot of stuff. So, peace out. Much love, much respect. Stay safe, mask up, and protect yourselves. Be safe out there. All right? Love you. Hope you liked the video. If you did, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's around here somewhere. As well as enjoying these videos that are posted right here. They're specifically picked for you. Okay. One of them's recommended, but you click the other one. Enjoy it. I hope you do. All right. Have a great day. Peace.